welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to try something a little bit different. I wanted to try to do a makeup TikTok. I've never done one, so I thought it was going to be interesting. And obviously this is the look. Let's just say I haven't edited the video yet for the TikTok, but all I'm gonna say is it's really hard. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to like edit the video. It was just so hard. Hopefully it comes out well. Again, sorry if the light changes. It's because this weather is just so crazy right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned if you guys want to see how I recreate this look. So if you guys want to see how that went for me, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I've never done a TikTok. Well, I did one, but it's not really. This is gonna be my first makeup TikTok. I just want to play around with it. I really enjoyed TikTok. Last time I was on it, I literally spent like 5 hours on it. I downloaded it like the day before and I had already been on it for 5 hours, so I got a little obsessed. I just want to upload videos because I feel like they're fun. So I wanted to, challenge myself and see, what it's like to obviously record a video on TikTok, especially a makeup video. So this look is going to be more like a Easter inspired look because the colors I'm going to be using are very pastel, obviously. I was going to use my James Charles palette, but then I remember that I had the Conspiracy palette. Stupid. This is the Mini Controversy by Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star. They actually do have these colors right here, the pastel blue and the pastel purple. So I'm going to be using these for this look because I really want to create like a very spring look. So I don't know how to start this video for TikTok. I like the idea when it goes in one, you like do something and then something happens and like you tap it or something. You know what I mean, right? Kind of. I don't know. I have it in my head. I just don't know how to express it. But let me just do my eyebrows real fast. And by do my eyebrows, I just need some soapy soap for my eyebrows. And I am going to be recording it on my phone. So I'm just going to go in and just brush them real fast. So let's see. I guess I'll do one eye and then do the other eye. I don't know. We'll do that. Okay, you guys. I have my phone like right in front of me. But now I'm trying to like get this to kind of match me. The lighting in my phone just looks so bad compared to like this one, so it just looks really dark here. Like I'm trying to use this, but it still sucks. I don't know. So I just kind of recorded the intro. Maybe I don't know. I'm gonna go in with this concealer and I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelids. I'll probably just do one eyelid. Oh, I think I messed up. Let me record that. That's probably way too much. I overdid it with the concealer. Now we're gonna blend it. So I think I'm gonna take the light baby blue and apply that all over my lid. And these colors are very pigmented, you guys. We want it very light. Okay, now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to take the purple. And I guess we'll put that on my outer corner. I think I'm going to go in and kind of add more blue. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and pack on the purple, which is very light. And then I'm going to go in and add in more blue just because I want it to be a little bit more white. I feel like it's kind of like fading and I want it to be a little bit more dark. So I'm going to go in with this flat brush and pack it in instead. Oh, she's looking white though. That's perfect. See, now that I realize that I have these colors in this palette, I kind of want to play around with it a little bit more because I've kind of been liking that pastel look. This is me trying to think maybe if I should just take clips from me recording instead of using my phone because the phone camera just looks too dark. But anyways, I'm going to be taking this holographic highlighters. These are holographic highlighters and they look like this and they're from Naked Cosmetics, and I'm just going to take the blue and the purple and just apply it on that same place that we added those colors. And I'm just going to add a little bit just to give it a little bit more dimension because the colors are very light. And I want a little bit of shimmer, and this eye look's gonna be like a little bit on the exaggerated side. So I'm just gonna take this flat brush. I'm gonna start with the purple. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna cut it, usually I don't cut it all the way. I usually do like a half cut crease. For this one, I'm just gonna cut it all the way hopefully it comes out well, because usually whenever I do my makeup on camera, it's a little bit harder. I feel like I don't give myself as much time to like really do it. I'm like constantly waiting on, like, you know, hoping that the battery doesn't run out. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really good at doing the crease where it goes all the way out. I don't really do it. And since I have like hooded eyes, I like to open my eyes and then it kind of like takes it up, so then that way I'll just go in and kind of like pat it in. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, this green, and I'm going to apply that on my eye right where we put the concealer. In order for you to do your to cut your crease, always use a concealer that glides and doesn't dry fast, because it's going to be a little bit harder, especially if it's your first time. You always want a concealer that kind of like glides on. So I'm going to take that color and pat it in. And it has a lot of fallout. So that is the look. I'm gonna actually go in again and add a little bit more blue and purple. You guys, that was a struggle. Okay, so that was hard. I tried doing it again on my phone, as you guys saw, just because I feel like I don't know, it's just I was like, let me just do it just in case. Let me just do it on my okay, so I'm just gonna go in and kind of like clean up the bottom. Maybe I'll do that after. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with my black eyeliner, and you're gonna see me going back and forth, doing it here like on my phone or whatever, but you know. And I want it to be as thin as possible. Oh my god, I swear to god I lose everything. Oh my god, I have so much powder. This is what it looks like so far. You see how thin it is? Oh, I fucked up. Why? Last time I did it, I looked fine. This is the Hank and Harry liner, and it's getting kind of dry. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner. That is way better. The thing is, how am I gonna record this on my phone? Okay, so I did my eyeliner, and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna record myself putting on lashes, because that's the next, not lashes, mascara, because that's the next step. My eyeliner looks like shit, you guys. Now we're gonna put on lashes. Okay, so we're gonna stick her on. So now I'm gonna record myself on my phone. Oh my god, was I recording? So now, you guys, we're gonna go in and do our face makeup. Mami, que tú quieres? Honestly, you guys, this is very hard. Oops, that's way too much. The lighting, like I said, you guys, on my phone, so I act like I know what I'm doing, but we'll see. Setting powder, and again, this is the peach one. I'm gonna start with this very light blue, and then I'm just gonna mix in some of this blue as well, but that's gonna be after. I'm just gonna set it all over my eyes. I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and blend it out a little bit more.
Yeah, get into it.
So this is obviously the look, you guys. It was very, very stressful just trying to like record here, like behind the scenes. And then obviously I've never, like I said, I've never filmed on TikTok doing makeup. Don't know how the video is gonna turn out. I'll probably like edit that video way after.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers to me, flowers today.
So that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. And also, I do want to show you guys that I have been working on other TikToks. This is one that I did where I become a clown. So if you guys go on my profile, you guys can go and check it out. It was a lot easier than the other one. This one was actually a lot more fun and creative. So yeah, go ahead and check it out if you guys want to.